Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at Big Lots to do a store walkthrough to look at some of this and that. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, stay tuned. Drew Moore accent cabinet for $270. It is really nice. It has these two doors at the top with the glass and the two doors down here. Pretty nice. Alrighty, this is the Vatimir 54-inch home office desk for $260 compared to $450. So yes guys, this is a really nice, beautiful brown desk with 3 drawers. And they also have this one, this two-tone, and this one is by Brohill. This one is called the Castillo writing desk for $300 compared to $375, and this one has the outlet. We also have this one, which is the Karen Hurst 60-inch desk for $320 compared to $410. And this chair is $70. Okay. The black manager's office chair for $100. This one is the mesh task chair for $60. And this blue swivel chair is $80. Oh yes. M Design heavy duty sports storage for $40. This one is compared to $106. This craft matte black rolling storage is $70. Alrighty. Oh, now these little chairs are different and new. These are swivel chairs. You get a 2-pack for $300 compared to $645. So you get that one and that one. Okay. Huh. Okay. Yeah, guys, that's new this week here at Big Lots. Alrighty. I also like this 60-inch two-tone TV stand for $180. Nice, right? Okay, 2 sliding doors. Oh yeah. Cute, cute. You get a 2-piece for $180. It is signature design by Ashley. Okay. So this one is a little bit smaller than that one. Okay. That one's kind of tough on me, guys. I can't get that one out. Just in case if you guys missed the last video here, I went over this Serta Conley conversational sleeper chair for $400. Yes, it's a chair and a sleeper. Really nice, $400. Now, this coffee table is adorable. That is a new piece. It is the Rosalina rattan coffee table for $200. Okay. All right, friends, this bed is new. This bed is the Lavish Slate Clean headboard with LED lights for $700 compared to $890. So yes, we have the headboard, the sideboard, and the footboard, just like we like it. Now this set has been here for a minute. This dresser is $250. The bed is $200. The chest is $250 and the nightstand is $180. Yes. Okay, that's for this set here. And this is the newest set here at Big Lots. Of course, after this one, because this one just came in. I think we're going to take a look at some of the home decor today as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed that part of the video. Oh yes, I went over this day bed in a previous video, guys, but if you did not see it, it's $400. And this one is a few weeks old. I also have the bottom down here. Yes. 8-inch Cool Sense twin mattress is $250. Ooh, this green chair is new and it is beautiful. So this is Mr. Brohill No Worries, a sterile swivel chair for $400 compared to $600. Okay. This lamp is beautiful. It's $60. More lamps down here. This gold bar cart is $80 compared to $174. Well, how cute is this, guys? This is a 4-piece bistro set for $200. That is nice. Yeah, that's nice. The ceramic jar, you can write on it with the chalk right there. $12.99. This white picture, it is $12. Glass canister with glass lid, 64 ounces. This one is $10. Ooh, look how cute that little set is. The teacup and the little plate is $6. That's cute. This glass picture is $12. Ooh, iridescent. This gold 3-tier plant stand is $30. And that one is by Real Living. Look at here. How cute, Mr. Frog. $13 for this one. This little hook. This little hook thingy. It is $13. It looks like a little birdhouse with the hooks on it for $13. That is not a bad deal. Okay. This cute little welcome box. It's a garden box. I think this is a planter. Yeah, it's a wooden welcome planter for $35. That is cute. Oh yeah. Looks like a little fence in the back. Welcome to our garden. $7 for this one. You grow girl. This is a tabletop piece for $13. I'm loving these colors. This green and white is beautiful. Ooh, let's see. $17 for this one. Birdhouse planter for $15.
The traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination.
This one is 20. This one is 15. You have to be careful though. Well, don't see a price on those. Hopefully. This one's $25. They also have one that's larger without the top. This is a vase for $35. How beautiful. This one is $40. Ooh, they are heavy, guys. More down there. And this little piece is $25. $17 for this one. Two different size hairs. $7 for that one. The larger one is $9. Okay, two different sizes in these trays. This one is 20. This one is 17. I think these are adorable for $30. The gold basket is $17. Alrighty, guys. This beautiful wooden piece here is $40. This natural looking vase is $15. Goes really well with that piece. As well as this piece here. This one is $10. The larger one is $13. Deer Foam's Cozy Cooper Jumbo Bed Pillows, a 2-pack for $17.99 compared to $30. Solid wood beads, they're $30, guys. They are huge. Ooh. Let's sit up. How pretty is this? These pillows in that picture, oh my word. So the pillow is $13. The picture is $15. And this pillow, it is $17. That is really pretty. This little Joanna bench is $140. Alrighty, guys, back here at this two-tone kitchen cart for $300. It has the hooks on the front and the bar on the sides. Oh yes. Beautiful color. Guys, so these bar stools are new. The seat is gray. $80 a piece. Okay. I don't see the price, guys. I don't remember seeing the price the last time I was here either, but if I find it, I'll put it up on the screen. 68-inch rustic mango wood console. It is $200 compared to $343. Nice doors, soft close, and 3 drawers. Okay. It's a 20 by 16 for $20. That is so pretty. That one is beautiful for $20. That one is $15. I don't see the price on that one, but that one is nice. And the swan is $20. $25 for this one. $15 for that one. The lion stools are $80. Oh, look at these. The panda bear stools. They're $80 as well. Oh, cute, cute. All right, guys, they have these 2-pack pillows here. By Plush Living, you get a 2-pack for $20. These are gorgeous here. Ooh, 20 on these. This one is 20. So are all these $20 for 2? Well, this one is 16 for 2. Okay. Oh, they feel so good. Oh, they are so heavy. Oh, oh yes, they're definitely worth it. Now these are 15, $14.99. Oh, they are heavy, guys. Oh yes, 19 for a set of 2. $20 and under for these pillows at a set of 2. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so very much for your support. Thank you all for shopping my links down in the description. And thank you all for subscribing to my channel. I am delighted to have you all here. And yes, guys, thanks again. And I'll see you all in the next one.